Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to enable POP3 and IMAP email forwarding in Gmail. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to set up your Gmail account in Microsoft Outlook or any other email clients for that matter, you might need to enable POP3 and IMAP email forwarding if it's disabled. And to do that, first make sure that you're signed into the correct Gmail account. So just sign into your Gmail account. And then you want to click on this little gear icon here. Then you need to click on See All Settings. On the next page, you'll see all of these tabs and you need to click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP. And if you click on that, you need to check if POP download is enabled. And you can enable it for all mail, meaning if you set up your Gmail address in an email client like Outlook, for example, it's going to download all of the emails that you currently have in your Gmail inbox. If you set this to enable POP for mail that arrives from now on, it's not going to download the old emails, but any new emails that get sent to you from the point that you enable this setting will get downloaded to the email client as well. Or you can just disable POP altogether. You also have this option to choose what happens to messages once it's been downloaded with a POP setup in Outlook, for example, and you can choose between these settings. I recommend that you just leave this on Keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. And then if you want to configure an email client like Outlook or any of these, Gmail also provides some instructions for that. I have a separate guide on my channel showing you how to set up your Gmail address in Outlook, and I'll link that in the cards now and at the end of this video. But basically, if you want to use IMAP, you can also just check that IMAP is enabled if you want to set up your Gmail account as IMAP. For me, it's disabled, but you can just go ahead and enable POP and enable IMAP if you want to use that. And as you can see, if you enable IMAP, you also have all of these settings that you can change, and you can set this up according to your preferences. I recommend just leaving it on the defaults. And then once you're happy with all of this, you can just click on Save Changes. And it should save all those changes. Now you might also need to verify that it's you before you can continue. So just go ahead and click on continue. And then you might need to sign into your account again. And once you've signed in, it'll save those changes. So that's how you can enable or disable POP3 or IMAP email forwarding in Gmail. And I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll talk to you guys soon.